Hello everyone, myself Ajan, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Rogni College of Engineering and Technology. In this session, we can discuss about conduits. Okay, conduit is nothing but conduit is a closed pipes, or otherwise are classified into open conduit or closed conduit. If the source of supply is underground water, usually there is no problem, as these sources are mostly in the underground of the city itself. The water is drawn from the underground sources by means of tube wells and pumped to the overhead reservoirs, from where it is distributed to the town under gravitational force. Hence, at such places, there is no problem of conveyance of water from sources to the treatment works. In case of sources of water supply is a river or reservoir and the town is situated at a higher level, the water will have to be pumped and conveyed through pressure pipes only. If the source is available at a higher level than the town, it is better to construct the treatment plant near the source and supply the water to the town under gravitational forces only. These are the two type of conduits. One is gravity conduits and pressure conduits. Gravity conduits are further classified into canals, flumes, aqueduct. First one, canals, also called open channels. These are occasionally used to convey the water from the source to the treatment plant. These can be easily and cheaply constructed by cutting in high grounds and banking in low grounds. The channels should be lined properly to prevent the seepage and contamination of water. As water flows only due to the gravitational forces, a uniform longitudinal slope is given for this type of channels. The hydraulic gradient line in channel should not exceed the permissible limit, otherwise scoring will start at the bed and water will become dirty. In channel flow, there is always loss of water by seepage and evaporation. This is the open channel. Then aqueduct. Aqueduct is the name given to the closed conduit constructed with masonry and used for conveying water from source to the treatment plant or point of distribution. Aqueduct may be constructed with brick, stones or reinforced cement concrete. In olden days, rectangular aqueduct were used, but nowadays horseshoe or circular section are used. These aqueducts are mostly constructed with cement concrete. The average velocity should be 1 meter per second. They do not flow under pressure, as they are not allowed to run full. These are the aqueducts. Then tunnels. This is also gravity conduit in which water flows under gravitational forces, but sometimes water flows under pressure, and in such cases these are called pressure tunnels. In pressure tunnels, the depth of water is generally such that the weight of overlying material will be sufficient to check the bursting pressure. Tunnels should be watertight and there should be no loss of water. These are the tunnel. Then flumes. These are open channels supported above the ground over trestles. Flumes are usually used for conveying water across valleys and minor low-lying areas or over drains and other obstruction coming in the way. Flumes may be constructed with RCC, wood or other materials. The common section are rectangular and circular. These are the flumes. Then pipes or pressure pipe. These are circular conduit in which water flows under pressure. Nowadays, pressure pipes are mostly used at every places, and they have eliminated the use of channels, aqueducts, and tunnels to a large extent. These are made of various materials like cast iron, wrought iron, steel, cement, concrete, asbestos, cement, and timber, etc. In the town, pipes are also used for distribution system. In distribution system, pipes of various diameter having many connection and branches are used. Water pipelines follow the profile of the groundwater and the location which is most economical, causing less pressure in pipe is chosen.